vaccines widely available and restrictions loosening, more people are working to get back to normal.
And this includes enjoying the outdoors or returning for in-person services at local churches. Tonight, CBS 17's Mackenzie Stasco and Imani Payne join us live. We begin with Mackenzie. And how are churches adjusting to having more worshipers in person?
Well, Maggie, during the pandemic, some churches went all online. Others required members to make reservations to limit the number of people inside. But now that things are starting to reopen, some churches are having to make more room.
Every week, more and more parishioners are returning to the pews at St. Raphael.
We started off with sitting people every third pew, and then at a certain point we started seating them at every other pew.
Father Bruce Bavinger says sometimes that's still not enough. Sunday's masses didn't need it, but once the pews fill, the church opens the outdoor plaza.
We also have an indoor overflow place, which I think fills up pretty readily.
The need for more space began around Lent and grows as restrictions ease and more people get vaccinated.
To be able to come to church and make sure that I wasn't going to get anybody sick or somebody was going to get sick, and I think the vaccine is a good thing to do.
For others, safety is less of a concern. The Mopilis attended Mass throughout the pandemic.
I like being in here in person because I can actually see the priest in real life.
We like it to be on church in person. It's very nice for also the kids. They can learn a lot.
As churches make more room, social distancing and masks are still required, at least for now.
So those things are still in place, but I frankly can't wait until it's all gone and things are back to normal.
Now, the governor is expected to lift capacity and social distancing requirements by June 1st. The church's reopening team plans to meet sometime this week to discuss and figure out what their plan will be once that happens. Live in Raleigh, Mackenzie Stasco, CBS 17 News.
All right, thanks so much, Mackenzie.